Your investment answer is the best answer I've ever heard regarding what is the investment amount. Hey, is it 50? Is it 150?
Yes, investment amount requirement is probably the biggest confusion in the
Yeah.
market. So you can't put dollar amount that would apply to any business model out there. So basically, they expect the entrepreneur to evaluate what is the reasonable amount of investment necessary for the business they want to establish or acquire, and then put up that exact amount to support the success of their business, and then show the immigration officer that they invested the appropriate amount. But the problem is the law also requires these folks to invest their money first before they can apply for the E2 visa. As a result, there's a lot of fear and uncertainty as to what if I get it wrong?
Mhm.
And what if the amount I think is adequate and the immigration official disagrees and denies my visa? Their live franchise business takes away some of that uncertainty. Under the franchise system, under the FDD, as you know, item 7 specifies under every franchise model what the franchisor requires the investment to be. So when we show the immigration officer that the investment matches the required investment amount in item 7 of the FDD, typically they're satisfied because that's the amount that the experts of this brand is requiring. So it closes that uncertainty when the investment is in a franchise business model, as opposed to if it's an independent, then it's really up to the convincing factor, laying it all out and convincing that immigration officer your investment amount is adequate. Now, having said that, I'll give you some example of the crazy spectrum of investments that have gotten approved over the last 25 years, going as low as 30,000. And then I've had multi-million dollar investments. And so that really illustrates that there is no minimum dollar amount, and you have to invest, you have to convince them that is the adequate amount. I've even had legal consultation where someone told me they got an approval with $9,000.
Wow.
And I was in shock. So it illustrates that there is no minimum investment amount.